Dear my dear friends, in this video we'll be discussing the Battle of Plassey, which was fought on 23rd June 1757. This battle was fought between Sirajuddaula and the East India Company, or we can say the English. Sirajuddaula was the Nawab of Bengal. Why was this battle fought? This battle was fought because Nawab Sirajuddaula was not satisfied with the activities being done by the English. What were those activities? Number 1. The English and the French were not on good terms, so they started to fortify their establishments in India. The French started to fortify Chandanagar and the English started to fortify Calcutta. When Nawab came to know about these fortifications, he asked both of them to stop these fortifications. The French complied with the order, but the English denied. Number 2. The misuse of Dastak by the company officials. Dastak was the pass which allowed East India Company to trade without paying any taxes. But this Dastak was not allowed to the company officials for their personal use, but they were using the Dastak for their personal purpose. Number 3. The English in Calcutta also insulted and expelled Sirajuddaula's messenger Narayan Das. Number 4. The English were imposing taxes on Nawab's goods when it was entering Calcutta, because Calcutta was under the control of the English. These were some reasons which compelled Nawab Sirajuddaula to seize the English factory at Qasim Bazar and subsequently the Fort Williams at Calcutta. He imprisoned 146 English prisoners in a very small room in Fort Williams. It was so small that only 23 prisoners could manage to survive. This incident was known as Black Hole Tragedy. Sirajuddaula handed over Calcutta to Manik Chand and returned to Murshidabad. Those English officials who escaped came to Fulta, which was a small island. They sought help from Madras. A strong naval and military force arrived from Madras under Colonel Clive and Admiral Watson. Hooghly was plundered and Calcutta reoccupied in the beginning of 1757. The Nawab was forced to sign the Treaty of Alinagar on 9th February 1757, wherein all the demands of the English were conceded. Nawab was asked to restore the rights and immunities of the company and to compensate them for the losses they had suffered in the war. The English had decided to remove Sirajuddaula from the position of the Nawab and place a puppet in his place. They conspired with the leading men of the Nawab's court, such as Manik Chand, the official in charge of Calcutta, Amir Chand, a rich merchant, Jagat Seth, a well-known banker, Mir Jafar, Mir Bakshi, and Rai Durlab, the Nawab's general. It was decided to place Mir Jafar on the throne of Bengal. On 23rd June 1757, the rival forces met each other in the battlefield of Plassey, which was 30 kilometers from Murshidabad. A major part of the Nawab's army, led by traitors Mir Jafar and Raidullah, did not participate in the fighting. A handful of Nawab's forces fought under the leadership of Mir Madan and Mohan Lal. Mir Madan and Mohan Lal were defeated. The Nawab tried to flee but was captured and put to death. Mir Jafar was proclaimed the Nawab of Bengal. Mir Jafar rewarded the company by granting them the undisputed rights to free trade in Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha. The company also got the Jamidari of 24 Parganas near Calcutta. Besides, Mir Jafar also paid large sums as gifts and bribes to the officials of the company. This battle was of immense historical importance because it paved the way for the conquest and mastery of the Bengal by the English and subsequently the whole of India.